Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Differential Calculus 2. Problem number 15. Obtain the Maclaurin's expansion of a power of x. First we should write the Maclaurin series expansion of y of x. So y of x equal to y of 0 plus x into y1 of 0 plus x square divided by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 plus x cube divided by 3 factorial into y3 of 0 plus etc. Let y of x equal to a power of x. It implies at x equal to 0. So then y of 0 equal to a power of 0. Any value to the power of 0 is 1. So then y of 0 is 1. Next, find out y1 of x. So y1 of x is differentiation of y of x. So differentiation of y of x is y1 of x equal to differentiation of a power of x is a power of x into log a. So it implies a power of x, so that is a power of x andre y of 0, y1 of 0 andre at x equal to 0. So then y1 of 0 equal to a power of 0 into log a equal to any value power of 0 is 1. 1 into log a is log a. Next, y1 of x equal to a power of x is y of x. Y of x into log a. So take the differentiation of this with respect to x. So differentiation of y1 of x is y2 of x equal to log a. Andre product rule apply madona idakke. So first function as it is. Differentiation of log a is 0 plus second function as it is. Differentiation of y of x is y1 of x. So then y2 of x equal to log a into y1 of x. It implies at x equal to 0. So then y2 of 0 equal to log a into y1 of 0. So equal to log a, y1 of 0 is log a. Log a into log a is log a into log a equal to log a whole square. So next, differentiation of y2 of x. So differentiation of y2 of x is y3 of x equal to first function log a as it is. Differentiation of y1 of x is y2 of x plus second function into differentiation of log a is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Leave it. So it implies at x equal to 0. So then y3 of 0 equal to log a y2 of 0 equal to log a into y2 of 0 is log a whole square. Log a whole square. So equal to log a whole cube. So and so on. So substituting these values in y of x, in the expansion of y of x. So then y of x equal to a power of x. Y of x is a power of x equal to y of 0 is 1 plus x into y1 of 0. Y1 of 0 is log a plus x square divided by 2 factorial is 2. Y2 of 0. Y2 of 0 is log a whole square. log a whole square plus x cube divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. y3 of 0. y3 of 0 is log a whole cube. Log a whole cube plus etc. So this is the answer for this one, log ax. So obtain the Maclaurin's expansion of ax is 1 plus x log a plus x square by 2 factorial or okay 2 factorial ಅಂತನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು log a whole square plus x cube divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial log a whole cube plus x4 divided by 4 factorial log a to the power of 4. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ 6 ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.